I am at the beach. It is a nice day. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. I walk on the sand. I feel good. I feel relaxed. I look at the sea. I feel the air. I walk forward. I do not look down. I do not see it. There is something in the sand. I step forward. Oh no! I trip. I fall. I fall on the sand. Sand goes everywhere. There is a family next to me. They are covered in sand. They look at me. Oh no. I sit up. I look at them. There is a child. The child looks at me. The child starts to cry. Oh no. The child is crying. I feel very bad. I do not know what to do. The parents are there. They look at me. They are not happy. I feel nervous. I feel very nervous. I stand up. I think. What do I do? I go over. I say, I'm sorry. I say it again. I'm sorry. The child is still crying. I feel bad. I have an idea. I sit down. I help clean. I move the sand. Brush her shoulder. The parents watch me. The child looks at me. The child stops crying. The child is quiet. I smile a little, but I still feel bad. I want to help more. I stand up. I go to a small shop. I buy something. I come back. I have an ice cream. A nice ice cream. In a cone. I give the ice cream to the child. The child looks at it. The child looks at me. The child smiles. The child is happy. The parents smile. I feel better. I feel happy. Today I made a kid cry. I fall on the sand. Sand goes everywhere. The family is covered in sand. The child cries. I feel very bad. But I say sorry. I help clean. And I buy an ice cream. Now the child is happy again. It is a good day. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.